Hello guys, good evening. So today I'm gonna be making dinner, and our dinner for today would be for tonight will be very simple. So we're just gonna be having a sauteed vegetable. This is going to be broccoli and carrots. I would like to introduce you the ingredients. We got the first broccoli, we got the carrots out there, tomatoes, two piece medium tomatoes. We got one medium onions. We got four cloves of garlic. We got pepper. We have butter, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. So those are the only things or the only ingredients that we're gonna be using. Of course, I'm gonna be using a bit of oil as well on the ingredients. So let's start the process. Alright guys, so the first process is I'm gonna be doing a stir fry of our vegetable, and first is the broccoli. This process is going to be a bit unusual. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want them to be overcooked on the sauteing process the tomatoes, I don't want them to be overcooked because tomato is very flavorful. It's gonna steal the flavor of the rest if it's gonna be cooked too much. So just gonna give this a bit of frying, and I'm going to be doing the same thing in our carrots. So you just have to fry this 1 minute for each side, and it should be okay. So I'm flipping it already. Again, it's only going to be 1 minute each side. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. Now I'm going to be removing it from the pan. And I'm going to strain the oil for a bit. Next is we're going to be putting our carrots, and we're going to be doing the same thing. And frying each for 2 minutes as well. I just want to clarify again, the reason why I'm frying it first is because I don't want to overcook the other ingredients wherein, it's gonna take too much time. So basically, I'm already pre-cooking our carrots and broccoli, and then after that, we can just mix it for a minute later on. Alright, so after 1 minute, I'm gonna be removing this already and strain the oil. By the way, guys, I'm using coconut oil because it's healthier for me by comparing to the other oil, and it's not smelly. I just like that. So you guys could always use any oil that you want, but I prefer coconut oil. Let's go to the next process. So I emptied the pan already, or pot, with the oil, and I'm gonna be putting butter. We're gonna be using butter this time. So you can see it's like a buttered vegetable, but it's plainly not. You guys will find out why. And next, I'm gonna be putting the garlic and just cook it for a bit. Alright, so after golden brown, making the garlic golden brown, now let's put the onion. Alright, next we're going to be putting the tomatoes already. Next, we're going to be putting 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now we're gonna be putting our pepper already, ground pepper. And then just give it a good mix. And then after mixing all, then we're gonna put our vegetables already. And you can just stir fry it. And this is the reason why I don't wanna put the vegetable fresh in here, because it should just be stir fried for like a minute. And none of the ingredients should be overcooked aside from the garlic. The tomato and the onion should just be nicely cooked or half cooked. So once you made sure that everything has been fully incorporated with the vegetables, let's just wait it for a minute and then it should be okay already. Alright guys, so after 1 minute, our vegetable is already okay. It's half cooked already. Now we can serve it already. I'm off the lid. Alright guys, so this is now our buttered stir-fried vegetable, whatever you wanna call it. But I just discovered this dish when I was, in Baguio. So there's a dish that I actually transcribed to vegetable. This is an original meat dish, and I want to do it on veggies with my favorite, one of the favorite vegetables of most, which is broccoli and carrots. And it's not overcooked, and everything's nicely seasoned. So let's go ahead and grab our dinner. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification so you guys get to be notified on each of my upcoming tutorials or recipe video. Thank you.